At American Transmission Company, our environmental commitment is woven through everything we do, all day, every day. Whether it's our transmission line projects, our involvement in the community, or our right-of-way maintenance activities, protecting the environment is a priority that is aligned closely with the way we conduct our business. ATC's Avian Protection Program is just one example of our commitment to the environment. Our program complies with laws that prohibit harming birds while striving to minimize the impacts of transmission line construction and operation on wildlife. The reason for ATC's Avian Protection Program is simple to understand, especially for bird enthusiasts. Some birds may accidentally be injured or electrocuted by contact with transmission facilities. These occurrences may also affect the reliability of the transmission system. So what does ATC's Avian Protection Program actually do to help protect birds? Well, it begins when we're planning for new transmission lines. We take the time to identify areas of heavy avian use and evaluate ways to minimize potential impacts. ATC's current transmission line design standards also meet recommended clearance distances for the region's largest bird species to prevent bird electrocution. This is the distance between two live wires or between a live wire and a ground to prevent bird electrocution. Existing lines may be upgraded to meet these clearances when they're rebuilt or replaced. Part of the Avian Protection Program includes nest management, where all stick nests built on ATC facilities are reported to ATC's environmental or asset maintenance staff. These teams then evaluate the outage and electrocution risk and may move the nests to a safer location on a man-made platform if necessary. All dead or injured birds found on ATC facilities or in the right-of-way are also reported to the ATC Environmental Department. In the case of bird injury, a bird rehabilitation specialist is contacted for assistance. All incidents involving migratory birds are reported to the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. These incidents are evaluated to determine if installation of avian protection measures are appropriate. These protection measures might include modifications to transmission lines, installation of bird flight diverters to increase visibility of wires, installation of perch guards, which prevent birds from landing or sitting on transmission structures, replacement of problematic structures. Sometimes larger birds, such as ospreys, build nests on utility equipment. This may cause concern both for the safety of the birds as well as the reliability of the electric system. To help reduce these incidents, various conservation organizations and electric utilities have installed large bird nest platforms, either on a transmission structure or on a nearby standalone structure. It's been successful, with 87% of Wisconsin's breeding osprey population using nests on platforms, according to the Department of Natural Resources. There are more than 100 nesting platforms located on or adjacent to transmission lines in ATC's service area. ATC continues to install platforms on our transmission system, as well as other locations in partnership with various agencies, organizations, and individuals. These platforms protect the birds, enhance reliability, and promote continued recovery of the species. So the next time you see a bird perched on a transmission line, consider all the ways that ATC's Avian Protection Program helps protect birds, both big and small.